And now that we understand how to begin a sketch, let's see what other options are presented once we've started a sketch. In the new design, I'll change my units to inch without setting it as the default and click OK. I'll start a new sketch that aligns with the top plane, and once the sketch is created, the sketch palette will appear on the right-hand side of the interface. The first tool at the very top of the sketch palette is the Look At tool. Look At will allow you to select a face and reorient the display to be normal to that face or edge. Below that is a series of tools to toggle the sketch or grid snap to be on or off. The Slice option will remove the 3D geometry that interferes with your view of the current sketch plane, creating a temporary section view of the part. We will review the options for Show Profile, Show Points, and Show Constraints as we delve more deeply into sketching, when their application will be more meaningful. The 3D Sketch option makes it possible for Fusion 360 to use points that are outside of the sketch plane to connect sketch geometry to. For now, we'll disable that option. In the next section, there's a series of sketch constraints. Sketch constraints create relationships between sketch entities. At the moment, the sketch palette is docked on the right-hand side of the screen. Selecting the arrows will minimize it, and will re-expand it as you come near it while you're sketching. The sketch palette can be undocked and relocated to other portions of the screen by clicking and dragging it to another location. It can be docked on the left side of the screen, or it can be left free-floating. For these lessons, I'll keep the sketch palette in its default location. Other items, such as the browser, can also be undocked and relocated. To show some additional functions of the sketch palette, I'll go to the sketch panel on the toolbar and select the two-point rectangle tool. Once it's selected, you'll see that the options appear at the top of the sketch palette. These are the same options that appear in the sketch pull-down, and other tools that may have options such as circle will display their options in the sketch palette in the same way. Pressing Escape on the keyboard will stop the command and remove the options from the sketch palette. We won't be creating any geometry in this lesson, so we can stop the sketch and be prepared to move on.